Greetings. This video is a little bit late. Oh, hi, Echo, honey. We have been rearranging the house, moving the children back into their room. So that takes a lot of work and moving things around and just, yeah. Not to mention getting caught up on laundry. You have to wash everybody's pillows and everybody's blankets, and Jace has like 7 blankets. Here's an Echo. I love my fur baby. Yes, I do. Oh, and you can see my little. I think that's Sprite. Yeah, you Spritey. Spray. Yeah, that's a Sprite. But okay, Echo wants some real love. Okay, today. uh, I am sorry. It has just been just a little stressful. My mother-in-law and my husband do not get along. But I'm pretty sure some of you are dealing with that as well, with COVID. Everybody cooped up together, and it's, yeah. Mm. I'm not even going to get into all the details. Because I'm coming down with my babies. Oh, yeah. Today, I I had planned today to start doing 2 videos a day for today, for the rest of the month, to try to get back up, because I still have everything all planned out, and I really want to show everything and do everything, but we finally. I've been waiting for, the other half to have some time so we can finally get the bunk beds moved. So that kind of took over. So I'm sitting here trying to helping him get that done, and we got a fight going on between him and his mom, and yay, I don't know. It's I love them both. I'm not gonna pick a side. I'm not, but okay. I mean, it's at the point I can't find my blue wig. Somehow, all of the kids, all of the kids' bed stuff ended up in the living room. If you can't tell, I mean, it's Rainbow Puppy. This is Dean's favorite toy. Rainbow Puppy. I've got one of Dean's blankets right here I'm sitting on, and getting caught up on laundry. Because every time I turn around, the clothes are getting knocked onto the floor, and when they fall on the floor, it's assumed they're dirty, and they get front, and, well, hey, it's mother stuff. Oh. Now, today's costume, if I had my blue wig, would make a bit more sense, Lovely blue wig, trim your blue wig, short blue bob. Dark blue, preferably, but, pale blue or pale gray, sweater, shirt, and I have the blue pants. I love my blue. These are actually very, very comfortable scrubs. Again, I gotta finish cleaning in here too. Is that the remote? No, that is not the remote. Dang it. Kids done lost the remote. That's laundry. That's laundry I gotta put away. We are moving around again. It's laundry to put away. Oh, my book. Oh, I found a new book. This is Understanding Purpose. It's a women of faith study guide series book, and I really do like these. So I'm gonna start on this, and maybe next month or maybe December. I don't know. We can get into. I'll get into this with you guys later. But I figured, okay, today's costume is a Pixar film. I am Sadness from Inside Out. Personally, I think Inside Out is a really good film portraying what goes on inside, inside the mind of a person with depression. It kind of really fits for me. I mean, I really see it. You've got sadness, creeping in, but you're trying to be happy. You're trying to keep that joy going, but the sadness keeps creeping in. And then, your joy and sadness just vanish, and you're left with anxiety. What? Mama. Hey, all right. I mean, you're left with your anxiety, fear, anger. Yes, you are supposed to be in bed. You are supposed. Where's Coco? No, that's not Coco. Don't. Mommy. What you want? Okay, fine. You can say hi. Hi. Hi.
The cat is on the counter eating the fish.
Toss it. Oh. Now you see why it's been so difficult to film. um, um, mm, mm. But as I was saying, I really liked the movie. I mean, you go from battling between, at least for me, this is my perspective. I mean, I know mental illness, depression, it's different in everyone. I mean, I think with borderline personality disorder, there are 9 traits. Is it 9? Yeah, I think it's 9. I can't even remember right now. And not everybody has all the traits. I mean, as with any illness, there are many, many different as bits. I mean, it's like the personalities. You've got, introvert, extrovert, um, whatever the Myers, which is it, Myers-Briggs personality? But, I mean, no two people are really the same with mental illness. But I know from my perspective, with me, it started out when I was 16, battling depression. I was trying to be happy. I wanted to be happy, but sadness just kept creeping in. And then as time went on, oof, it developed into, I started getting more towards, anxiety, um, fear, anger, not much, disgust, but I had more anxiety than fear. And anxiety is not fear. They are somewhat two different things. Yeah. Mm. But, alright. No, and then you get to a point where you're just numb. You don't have any emotions at all. I went through that phase. And then, your emotions will creep back in, and the whole thing just starts over. So, it's a nice, I chose a nice, simple outfit. Oh, what is that? Oh, yeah, if you can't tell, it's night. I'll show you. It's nighttime. And I have been trying to do this video all day. And I've been in this outfit all day. It's getting dirty. I don't even know what that is on my sleeve. But yeah. It's, yeah, whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna have to throw it in the wash later. Washing machine, yay! Dryer. Oh, I love the new dryer. I'll have to show you guys later. But, oh, hold on. Yeah. There we go. Sorry about that. To go with my sadness costume, I have decided I am going to share with you, my depression toolbox. Um, I guess it's technically part of my wrap plan. Whenever I start to feel depressed, if I start to, if I start to feel the sadness creeping in, I can pull out my box if I need it. And yeah, it has a box. My box. Yeah. Yeah. In it. Oh, wait, not all of it. I don't know why. I have bananas in there for some reason. I did not put those in there. I am going to share what I did put in there. I have a Bible study book. Let's see. I have um, music and headphones. Um, if any of you look on my, look at my playlists, I do have one playlist. It's called Devotionals. That is something I play very often. Sorry. When I am, starting to feel down. Those are my upbeat songs that I like to listen to that make me feel better. See, there's a song from the movie Brave New Girl. Um, so life is full of impossibilities. You can be one too if you be like stronger than you know. Oh, I do love that song. I think I've got like Let It Go. I mean, I'm sorry, I've got two versions of Let It Go. But that's because I mean, honestly, I feel that's like an awesome song. If you are depressed, if you feel like you can't go on, you don't want to go on, you feel, you're starting to feel that sadness just creeping in, belt that song at the top of your um oh, what else? Oh God. I mean, I've got a lot of the songs like that that just they make me feel better. They're songs that uplift me. Like the Lauren Daigle song, one of my previous videos. You say, oh, I love that song. That's so beautiful. God only knows. What is it, King and Country? That's a beautiful song to play. I mean, that's definitely a good depression song. Um, Also, if it comes down to it, I have a journal. Just a plain notebook. This is what 50-cent notebook that I keep in here for writing down. Um, yeah, I have a data disc with one of my favorite anime, anime always makes me feel better. I love curling up with ramen and some anime, and uh, that always makes me feel better. I don't know why, but that's me. Um, and I've got pictures. I have old pictures from when I was happy. And, this just reminds me that there's people who love me and will miss me and, remind yourself of better times. You know, push the negative memories down and bring up the more positive ones. Um, and then, for those that can't really tell, I am big with like aromatherapy. I have my lavender essential oil in here because lavender is just so calming. Um, I have I found this little, I've got a card with the Serenity Prayer. I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure you guys know that. It grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. That is that is a beautiful chant. Well, it's a beautiful little poem, and you just say it over and over. It's a good mantra. If I am able to, I have bath salts, not the drug. No, these are for a bath. This is a rose scent. Yeah, this is a rose. So it's nice and relaxing. Go take a hot bath with some scents. Yeah. Um, I have my chocolate. I refresh this monthly. Every month I do change the chocolate out. But, I've got my chocolate. Chocolate uplifts you. Chocolate, eating chocolate can release the same endorphins as intercourse. So, as an orgasm. So it's like, hey, okay, yay. No wonder we women like chocolate so much. It's a happy food. Yeah. I think that's why a lot of people like it. Oh, yes, I also, to go with my Bible study book, I have a little New Testament, and, with the, Psalms and Proverbs. I do love this, it's my little Bible here to remind me Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Yeah. Yes, I keep this in my little kit here. Um, oh, yeah. This is something a little unique. This is unique to me. I don't know. So if you guys like this idea, you may, go ahead, use it. But I keep a geode. This was left to me by George. So it reminds me of his friendship. And two, if you look at it, it's got this rough exterior. It looks like nothing more than just an ordinary everyday rock. But when you break it open, there is something beautiful inside, something splendid. It's gorgeous, and looking at it, it reminds me, I am like a geode. I may not look the best on the outside, but when you break open it, when you look inside at my soul, you look at who I am. I have a beautiful soul. I am kind. I mean, I come on here and I expose myself to all this harsh criticism because I want to let some of you out there know that you're not alone. There are other people out there who feel the same way you do. There are people out there who may be worse than you. I want to do my part to help. I want to reach out and be that helping hand for someone else. So, I mean, I have driven from Virginia, from Richmond, Virginia, all the way to Orlando, Florida, there and back, to pick up a friend because they were homeless. They got kicked out of their house. So they had nowhere to go. They were living in a car that didn't run. They were running out of food. They called for help, and Sean and I dropped everything and went to get them. And I had to be at work. We drove back, and I dropped Sean and them off at the apartment, and I went to work. So driving from Florida to Richmond and then going to work an 8-hour shift in customer service. But no. No, I love the Geo. Um, um, oh, and the one thing I have, this is my bag of refreshments. I have mint tea. I have a kava stress relief tea. And I have chamomile tea. Oh, and I have that nightly tea. Um, it's the tension tamer tea and the nightly calm tea. And in here, for the K cups, I have spiced apple cider and hot cocoa. So a nice calming hot that hot water. And for my tea, a little bit of honey, because I like honey. Um, Yay. Unfortunately, something got taken out. Oh, yes, that's right. I keep in here a hairbrush. It smells like lavender. Mm, soothing, so calming. I also have a yoga DVD in here. I just don't really. No, wait. Sorry, I was watching that recently. And so, no, it's not in here. I need to put it back in here. And unfortunately, I had lip gloss in here. So, you take out your hairbrush, you brush your hair. You put on your lip gloss. You feel, for me, that you feel pretty. You feel better. Take a spend a make yourself take care of yourself. If that makes sense. So, yeah. And of course, the one thing that I do keep with me. Oh, wait, hold on. There's one more thing at the bottom here. I almost forgot. Yes. Oh yeah. I do try to keep a romance novel in here. Um, I like, I think it's Beverly Lewis. The Amish romances. I don't know why. I find them comforting, I guess. And a book I found at the thrift store. The Blue Day Book. A lesson in cheering yourself up. this is darling. The pictures are just, there are miserable days when you feel lousy, and it's got a picture of the puppy. Grumpy, and it's got a hippopotamus. Lonely, I got a baby seal. And utterly exhausted, and it's got a lion. So, yeah, and it goes on, days when you feel small and insignificant, when everything seems just out of reach. Yeah. I mean, come on. Look at the polar bear. Isn't that so cute? I love it. I do love it. It's a good book. It's like, hang back, get out there, and go for it. After all, isn't that what life is all about? Mm, I mean, it's like, don't be afraid to bite off more than you can chew. Take big risks. And it's really cute. You got the dog with the huge bone, or the mouse on the cat on sitting on top of the cat head. But no, this is an awesome little book for when you get blue. I mean, it's funny, and it does have things. Um, go for a walk to clear your head. Accept the fact that you'll have to let go of some emotional baggage. Yeah. Try seeing things from a different perspective. Maybe you're actually the one at fault. If that's the case, be big enough to say you're sorry. And in parentheses, it's never too late. I mean, I do love this book. It's just a cute little inspirational thingy. And it's got the darling pictures to go with it. Mm, but this is a good one. So you got your books. Sometimes I do like to keep my little romance in here, and that really does help me feel better. With the music, the music and then you know, and when it comes down to it, I like to cuddle with this guy. Mm. I managed to find him at the thrift store for just a few bucks. This is a Build-A-Bear from 2001, and that is the year Avery was born, my oldest. So, whenever I get really deep down depressed, I hug my little kitty here and pretend I'm hugging Avery. Because I named this guy Avery. And it's just relaxing. This one reminds me I've done something right in my life. I have Avery. who is a full-fledged United States Marine Corps. I want to say he's up. I think he's up for a promotion to corporal soon. So he's climbing the ranks quite well. Corporal is E4. He's already in E3. So, hey, he's doing really good. And then Candace is 17. Um, and she's in honors. She's in all, well, mostly all honors classes. And there's a good chance she might graduate a little bit early. Well, ahead of everyone else. And then I've still got my 3 little ones running around. I can't really call Jace little for much longer. He's in 4th grade. Hmm. Then Dean. And I still have little Hunter, who is up my butt constantly. Mama, 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 mama. Um. Oh, and Hunter is starting to do really, really. He'll say num num for food now. So we're working with him, and he's starting to come along. I need to get paperwork to get him into school. Ooh, but I guess I'm starting to ramble, and you guys probably don't need to hear me ramble while I'm hugging my stuffed animal. 40 years old, and I'm hugging a stuffed animal. Yeah. Hmm. But from now on, well, for the rest of the month, or at least for the rest of December, not December. See, I'm not even thinking straight. Dang it. Hopefully, for the rest of October, I'm gonna try. Sorry, and get 2 videos out a day. Hopefully, I want to make one, in the morning when the kids are at school, and I want to make one in the afternoon with the kids. I've got everything, planned out. It's all written down. As long as I don't have any more, up and what is it? I don't even know how to describe it. As long as nothing else stands in the way. Like I don't get called away to do something else, like moving the bunk beds, which have already been moved, but that's neither here nor there. So we'll be spending a little bit of time though, cleaning up everything again. As all the stuff from the kids' room is in the living room, and so we gotta get that put back. I gotta reorganize and redecorate my room. I get to move things around now. The bunk beds are finally gone. Yay! Oh, it must have been a moth or something around the light. I don't know. I'm losing it. But I've rambled on enough. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Um, nice simple costume idea. You don't have to paint your face blue. You can if you want to. A blue wig would be nice too, though. A short blue or, at least a short black bob. Blue would be best. Get nice blue pants and pale blue or white sweater. And you can be Disney, well, you can be Disney Pixar sadness. Hmm. I will say goodbye for now, and I will catch you tomorrow. Toodles.